Hello everyone, welcome to Some Tools. Today is a little bit rainy day, but cool weather, good. Just an easy job, go to job site and replace the two door hinges for the Tarago 2004. And yesterday we went to the wreckers and grabbed two hinges, and unfortunately we can only find one good one. And this one's still good in rubber plastic, and the bearing always is broken is the plastic here. The car Tarago 2004, on that side is alright, but this side is even worse. We cannot close it, you see how bad it is. And we tried to get a key, and mainly is the top one here. Quickly we just tuck off from here and put them on and see how it works, and if not work we have to do another way to make it work, because this is carry the babies kid on the cars, and they need to roll the door fix ASAP. Rang him, he left the door open. This one you want to open, look, pull from here, okay. And the door lock itself, look like that, okay? And you can see it's stuck here. Very quickly replace by using the bracket number 12, bring from home. Just do 3 of this one and then we'll be right. See, very easy. We try the R1 on and see how it like. If not, we are trouble. One more, okay. See, that's all you need for the tools, okay? Number 12, and if you got this, will be handy. I'm gonna get this one there. So this one will be on this side. It will be go in and open the back door. I go in with the back door. Okay, the back door. Okay, we slide in. We have to slide in from the front. It's from the front here. So we take it up and we slide it on the front one. Or I don't know. Is there any better way for doing this? I don't know, okay? One more. Bit heavy for me now. Bit heavy. But anyway, I can do it. I need to get something so I can put that one down here like this. Okay, put a brick underneath. Now I got my free hand to undo this one. Can be dropped anytime. Put 3 bolts here, and this one can come up, but I need to slide up like this and go in. Just see that the key is struggling with the balls, and this one damage here. Rubbish. Okay, moment of truth. Go in. See, this is the only way to get in, okay? You will see the gap here. Okay, I will show you clearly, and don't say the Simon dodgy. Like that. Lift up like that, and then slide in. See, and it should be in all the way, and that's how it should slide in. And now like that, okay? With this one here, and I got to leave it. See, we're gonna put 1, 2 in. Make sure it's online, and then we are happy cow, okay? Something look easy, put them on and go, but not easy at all, because this one is faulty. And I just went and grabbed one like this, second hand. Now I put some loops on before I install, and it should work, okay? Do this one outside. Shit, okay. As much as you put, and you can enter your hand here. To undo them is one of the ridiculous too, but it's alright with over that. And new one, okay, with the rubber cover, whatever you name it. I don't put the rubbers on. Just keep the main key. Just keep the main keys. Go in like that and slide in the back and go in here. The old one, if you don't want to put the plastic in because it's very hard to slide through the rail with the slide door down there. So better don't put the plastic on, so much easy for you to insert. So that's it, and bolt them on evenly and evenly. So when it's on, should be good to go. Okay, now we're testing with this one. Okay, and then it should be, when we pull it, should be all the way in. So it should be locked. So it should be locked like, come on man, can I have something better than this shit? Forgot my screwdrivers. Go there. So when it locked, so this is super lock, right? And then you pull it, and it should be come up. That's it. That it should work. Okay. All done. We leave it like this and slide this one in there before we put the cover back in. Before we put this one on, the cover on, and we've been testing and all this, and we put back, and now we're gonna put this one back. And for time being, we only got one side good, the other side no good, because the bearings, the plastic they gave me, is broken. So I put this one back and order a new one on eBay and can make the two brand new ones. So I have to come back again to order new hinges. You can go to the genuine parts, or you can go order eBay, but finish this one first for them time being, and then come back a few weeks when that turn up. Okay, done. We put all the hinges on, and we go all the way naturally like this. See, it's locked, and then we try to do moment of truth. That's it. That's how it should be. Beautiful. That the links doesn't matter. And when we try to slam harder, see, go in. So it's holding. Okay, good. We see the lock inside. Actually, it's better than before, and should be stay for a while. Okay, the door doesn't shut very good, so we do adjustment here to bring the hinge back inside a little bit more. Oh man, I need number 12. This one won't do, and move this one inside, and it closer. Okay guys, thanks for watching short videos, and now we go to another job site.